Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Using Apple Pay at Safeway is simple and convenient. Whether you are shopping for groceries or other essentials, Apple Pay provides a fast and secure way to complete your purchase. Follow these steps to set up and use Apple Pay at Safeway. First of all, open the wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your debit or credit card. Once your card is added, Apple Pay is ready for use. Ensure your iPhone or Apple Watch is unlocked. Hold your device near the contactless payment reader at checkout. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize the payment. Wait for the communication message on your device and the payment terminal. Benefit of using Apple Pay at Safeway. Convenience. No need to carry physical cards or cash. Security. Your card details are not shared with the retailer. Speed. Transactions are processed quickly, reducing checkout time. Apple Pay makes shopping at Safeway faster and more secure by setting up Apple Pay on your device. You can enjoy a hassle-free and contactless payment experience. Try it out the next time you visit Safeway. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.